Next topic, change of order of integration. So by change of order of integration, that is if the integral is given, outermost integral is given with respect to y, we have to convert it into x. If it is with respect to x, we have to convert it into with respect to y. Okay, that is change of order. So dx dy, if the question is dx dy, it becomes dy dx. If it is dy dx, it becomes dx dy. Okay. So for this example, 0 to a, y to a, x by x square plus y square dx dy. So here the innermost integral containing the variable y, so it is the limit for x. So outermost integral will be, obviously it is with respect to y. So only the integral is given, no region is given. So but we can find the integral region also. Okay. So we can, by checking the limits, we can draw the region. So which are the limits? y0, y is equal to a, xy, x is equal to a. Write these four equations. So the region is bounded by these four equations. So this x and y axis, y0 x axis, y a horizontal line through a, x is equal to y, it's a slanting line, so there will be an intersection. So if what is the point of intersection? Y is a, so x is also a, y is equal to x LA. So this is a, then x is equal to a, so this point is coordinate is a, so x is equal to a will be through this point of intersection, vertical line. And which is the region? So we are getting from this figure, we are getting two triangles. So which triangle is the region? For that, just identify the limits. The given integral, outermost integral is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Okay. In the given integral, outermost integral is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. That means which strips here taken? Which strips are taken? Horizontal or vertical? Outermost integral y ആവുമ്പോൾ ഏതായിരിക്കും? Horizontal ആയിരിക്കുമല്ലോ. Okay, so horizontally ആണ് ഇവിടെ given integral എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So horizontally, these are the extreme lines. Then which are the horizontal lines, horizontal strips? Horizontal strips in the height x is equal to y and x is equal to a. Or the endpoints of the horizontal strips are x is equal to y and x is equal to a. These are the endpoints of the horizontal strips. Okay, so where is x is equal to y? So this is x is equal to y. Where is x is equal to a? This is x is equal to a. So by joining these two points, just put points on these lines or curves. So this is the line inside the region. So which is the region? This strip is in this triangle. Okay, so this is the region. Okay. So in the given integral, horizontal strips are taken, right? So we have to consider, or we have to change the order of integration. That is, we have to draw vertical through the same, in the same region. This same region is in a vertical varcha madi. So which are the vertical lines at the extreme? These two lines. That is, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So that is the limit for x. The changed integral, the limits outer integral for the changed integral is x is equal to 0 to a. So we have changed the given integral in which outermost integral is with respect to y to outermost integral with respect to x. Then what is the limit for x? ഇതിനകത്തൊരു vertical strip വരയ്ക്കുക. Vertical strip വരയ്ക്കുക. ആ സ്ട്രിപ്പിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് എൻഡ് y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Then x by x square plus y square dy dx integrate with respect to y. So what is the integral of x by x square plus y square with respect to y? X is a constant. Then what is the integral of 1 by a square plus x square? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here a is with respect to y, x is a. Okay. So 1 by x tan inverse y by constant. X from 0, y from 0 to x. If x is y is x, x by x is 1, tan inverse 1. If y is 0, it is 0. So x cancels, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 dx. So answer is pi a by 4. Okay.